Welcome to the Maker Letters. In our free Fusion 360 training this week, you will learn how to create a text in Autodesk Fusion 360. I want you to stand in the design workspace and select Create Sketch. Now I want you to select a plane. For this tutorial, you can use the default construction plane. Fusion 360 does not limit you to this option. You can pick the face of a body, for example. Go to the Create tab and select Text. You have different text options. You can create 3D shapes, you can write your text in a box or let it follow a path. Draw the boundaries for your text. Enter your text in the box. You can work with different alignment, flips, character height, character spacing, typefaces such as bold and italic, and fonts. Hit OK when you are done. Finish the sketch when you are done. That is how easy it is to create a text in Autodesk Fusion 360. Hit subscribe and get notified when we publish new free classes next week.